Today we're here with Bella. She's been doing a lot of yoga and living life, so we're going to see how we can help her out a little bit here today. So first, just connecting with her system and just listening, seeing what it wants to show us here today. Good, so I can initially see some high tone coming up this right side. The pelvis rocked forward here, and then this pattern going up through the left side into her neck and left side of her head here. So we're going to see how we can help her open this up. Good, big breath right in here. Good. Take this breath all the way from here up through this left shoulder here. Nice, there you go. Good, and then connect all the way to the right side of your neck. Nice. Nice, so she connected to that really well. We just allowed her system to process that. So with this kind of global pattern, the rib cage is also a little rotated. Bring a lot of tension in through the spine here, so we're going to open that up. Good, big breath here. And all the way out. Good, another big breath. Yeah, perfect. So after adjusting that rib cage, her spine opened up so much more. All the tension and tone over the spine is now dropping away. We can access this area a lot better. Good, so as I said, we kind of had this hip dropping forward and pattern coming through here. This is opening a lot better. We're going to now bring this back and down and allow the pelvis to open up as well. So I'm going to have you face the right side, please. These are going to cross. Good, so bringing this hip down and opening the compression in the low back here. I'm going to roll toward me. Good, I got you. Nice. And then face that other side, please. So this side's going to be the opposite. We're going to bring this up and through. Feeling a little bit of compression in the ribs, so we're going to bring this up and over. There we go. Nice. We're going to roll here toward me. Good. And then face down again, please. One more big breath right in this spot. Good. There you go. And a deep breath right in this spot here. Good. And all the way up through. Good. So just allowing her to connect to a pattern in her system. Again, we're not fixing anything, we're just helping her reconnect to herself. I'm going to have you go onto your back, please. Okay, so finding some Compression here on the right side. We're gonna rotate here to the left. And you'll notice these forces are very gentle and specific. Good. Go ahead and just let your head fall here. Nice. Good. And the left side. This one I'm going to have you bend the left knee. Yeah. Yep. Perfect. Nice. Deep breath. Nice. You've been cracking your neck. Yeah, I could tell.
Can you really?
Yeah.
Crack my neck a lot. It's not good.
No, not at all. That's a huge point though, because a lot of people do crack their neck.
Mm-hmm.
And often when you do that, it kind of loses some of the stability in the ligaments. Noted. Whatever you can do, just try your best not to. Okay, we're gonna actually come over to the other table really quick. I'll help you up here. This table is like a drop table, so it's gonna drop down. You'll feel it lift up here and then drop down just like that, okay? So I'm gonna be contacting the atlas here. Very top bone in the neck. So rather than trying to use like a lot of force to adjust that, we can use that table to be a lot more specific and gentle, which is a great way to have a lot of effect with not a lot of force. Much better. I'm gonna let that settle in. Let's check this ankle here. So you rolled it kind of outward like that?
Yeah, it was like my foot
that
was
way.
fully back.
Okay,
There,
all right.
I came down on it like full body weight.
Oof. Okay. There'll be a little pull here.
Pretty often, and that helped a lot.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, you're all set.
Awesome. Thank you.